You just made $500 in your sleep, and no, you're not dreaming. Are you starting a business and trying to learn funnels, websites, courses, coaching, digital marketing, social media? I can show you the ultimate step-by-step online business course for making passive income. The best part is, your first product is already done for you. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys. Not real like a big deal, but real like we're real people with real problems. And we are one family with multiple channels, so make sure to check them all out. Like how-tos, faith, marriage, and ministry. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real business, real content, and real income. We help entrepreneurs begin and build their businesses. And we also offer lots of online courses, coaching, and more. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, maybe even comment. That lets YouTube know that you enjoy it, and it helps us to keep making content like this. And as a free gift to you for stopping by, we wanted to give you a free PDF and mini course called The Studio Setup Checklist. It'll give you a list of the top 7 essential tools that you need to build your own studio. To get your copy, just go to therealrileys.com or click the link below. Now let's get into it. I went from a career in ministry for 12 years to all of a sudden being in a position where I needed to provide for my family. Outside of ministry, I struggled to find a meaningful job, but I've always enjoyed helping people and teaching people and sharing Jesus. So I started therealrileys.com from scratch. I had no clue where to start and no clue what I was doing. Maybe for you, the problem is that you find yourself stuck in a 9-to-5 dead-end job where you're kind of at the mercy of your boss. Or maybe you've wanted to start an online business, but you didn't go to business school. Maybe you've never made content or products before. Maybe you have no clue where to start when building a business. Or maybe you even have a product to sell, you just don't have any customers. If you've considered starting an online business, maybe you've thought before, I don't really have anything to offer. Sure you do. Everyone is unique. I don't have time to start a business. Well, hey, you don't have to do it all at once. Doesn't it cost a lot of money? Not in comparison to some other courses I've seen. And you can make this money back quick. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck. Getting up early every morning, going to a job that you don't even like or hate. Your family's going to be stressed because you're not providing enough. You'll end up working your life away in a meaningless, unfulfilling job. You'll never have the time or the money to spend with family or travel. And there's this weird loop where the only way to get ahead in your career is to spend more time on your career. So ultimately, you have to give up what you want in the first place, which is freedom. And you'll just sit around dreaming about starting an online business, having no clue how to start one. When I started The Real Rileys, I literally just started putting things together and figuring things out on my own. I didn't really have any direction, I just kept trying to move forward. I learned a lot of things the hard way. I had to look all over the internet. I watched tons of training on YouTube. I bought little courses here and there, whatever I could afford. And it took forever just to learn what I needed to get started. Since then, I've made my own studio, I've started multiple YouTube channels, I've created social media content, I've partnered with multiple affiliate companies, I've created logos, PDFs, online courses, and I've been able to start making passive income. But what's crazy is the majority of the things that I had to learn the hard way are packed into this one course for beginners. I mean, think about it. What if you could skip all those years of preparation and searching through free training that doesn't really give you what you need anyways? The struggles of trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work. What if you had someone who had already been there and could teach you how to start an online business? The steps to take, how to start it, how to run it, how to organize it, and how to start making money this week. Well, we've teamed up and partnered with the perfect course for you, developed by industry experts who have already seen success. This course helped me, and I know it can help you. Introducing The Roadmap to Riches, a video-based online course. It's the ultimate step-by-step online business course for making passive income. You'll learn how to start your own online business, how to understand, find, and pick your niche, and what that even is, digital marketing, social media, and SEO, how to create sales pages and funnels. You'll find a list of easy-to-use and affordable tools and learn how to create content, making passive income the easiest way to make money online. Not to mention, you'll get free community access with other entrepreneurs, ongoing weekly training, and the content is regularly updated. You can also learn at your own pace because you have lifetime access. And here's the best part. You have master resale rights, which means after you buy the product the first time, anytime someone buys it from you, you get 100% of the profit. So you can learn from this course and you can sell it at the same time. You can even rebrand it with your own branding. Just think about it. Your first product is already ready to go, and you only have to sell one to make up for your investment. Everything else is pure profit. Hey, but don't take my word for it. Listen to some satisfied customers. I've purchased 3 other courses in the past month, and what I found at those courses have gaps in their programs. What I love most about this course is the business fundamentals that no other courses offer, along with the level of professionalism and video quality and explanation. It truly is a college level course. Purchasing this product has been life-changing. I've tried selling everything under the sun to be able to work from home. I have a family here. I love everything about the community, and I can't say enough about this beginner-friendly course either. My only regret is not getting it sooner. It took me a whole 1 month to make my first full-time income and live more comfortably than ever before. I've spent easily over 5 figures in the past year on courses, mentorship, and high-ticket affiliate programs. You name it. And I can honestly say that the roadmap is the most comprehensive, step-by-step, value-driven course I have ever taken. You might be thinking, well, when does it start? As soon as you hit the button below. How long does it take? There are hours and hours of videos to work through, but you can work at your own pace. How's it delivered? You'll get an email directly from us with instructions. What does it teach? Essentially the foundations of business, digital marketing, and how to automate your business. What is master resale rights? It just means that you don't have to create the product, it's already created for you, and you get 100% of the profit. You buy it one time, and you can resell it as much as you want. Are there any hidden fees? No hidden fees and no upsells. Although there are some minor costs like hosting your own website. Without this course, you'd have to buy some really expensive online business training, spend tons of money on a coaching guru, spin your wheels just trying to start your business, waste hours and hours searching for free training, or say bye-bye to sleeping at night because you're gonna stay up all night working multiple jobs. You could easily spend over 10 grand, but now you can say so long to incomplete training, that job that you hate, missing out on family time, and waking up at 5 a.m. for work. For less than the price of your grocery bill this month, you can buy this course. Plus, don't forget about the sweet bonuses. I'll throw in my studio setup checklist, mini course in PDF, other PDFs like a lead magnet template, a PDF just for taking notes, and for a limited time, I'll even throw in my course, the Self-Made Studio Setup. That'll walk you through my studio, plus other bonus content and lessons. So if you're a brand new beginner to digital marketing and you want to make extra passive income while you sleep, if you want to invest in your future, if you want to have the freedom to work from anywhere, if you want to spend more time with family or traveling, if you want to end that 9-to-5 grind, and you're ready for a step-by-step guide to starting your online business, then you need this course, The Roadmap to Riches. Just click the link below right now to get access. Now it's time to get real. Will you comment below and let us know what's the #1 reason that you want to start your own online business? And I want to encourage you to continue the conversation by joining one of our online communities. You can hang out with like-minded people, be encouraged, be challenged, ask questions, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Be on the lookout for some of our other videos like the secret to online business success, or branch out a little bit and check out one of our other channels like how to play the guitar or how to study the Bible. But until next time, keep it real.